ang role ng leader is actually setting the standard. Oo, yun ang number one na role ng leader. Ikaw ang nagsiset ng standard kung paano tatakbo yung negosyo sa oras na ikaw ang namumuno ng negosyong iyan. Ngayon, ang maganda dyan, kapatid, i-apply natin. Let's apply it in practical terms for your own lives, no? You know, ako parati yung ginagamit to when we meet with restaurant leaders, diba? Well, it doesn't matter what the company standards are. Kasi at the end of the day, what will really matter is your own personal standard as a leader. Kahit isang libong pahina pa ang standards na nakasulat ng kumpanya, sa dulo niyan, ang tanong, ano yung i-implement mo as a leader pag ikaw ang pinagkatiwalaan ng shift, no? Not the whole business. Now, let's not even talk about the day, the week, no? That particular shift.